Hello and welcome back to the Man of Motion UK. I've got something new today. I am currently upgrading my audio system, basically my motovlogging systems, just on up to par. So I bought this new Mic Mini, DJI Mic Mini, and I'm gonna set it up and test it against the natural audio in the Insta360 Pro and my Cardo setup. I'm just going to see which one's the best audio. I'm going to do this twice. I've got a little magnetic thing that I put into my helmet. So, bit of an idiot. I've super glued it in already. So I'm going to put it into the helmet, but I'm also going to put the gain up and put it on my belt and see where we go from there, see if the audio is better than that. I have a tunnel that I can go through, which I'm going to test all four, I'm guessing, yeah, four audios. I'm going to test all four sides. I'm going to put this in the helmet on -12 gain, -12, -6. I'll put on a dual track on the Insta Ace Pro 2. But that way I've got the best of both worlds. I'll put them both on -6 gain, and then when I put on my belt to go through the tunnel, I'll put it on +6 just to try and get that noise going. Yeah. See you out there. Right, so I've just done the audio for just raw sounds. Hopefully it picks up quite well. I'm not sure, I haven't checked the footage yet. But this is the motovlogging side of things. Both on -12. I recorded for like 30 minutes the other day on a horseshoe pass. And the noise cancelling was on, which took all the road noise out. And all you could hear was me breathing, which wasn't great. So hopefully this is the new perfect solution for this bike. It's in the helmet now, by the way, right by my grid. Second gear pull, let's go. I'm gonna mess about with the positioning of the mic. I've got it upside down now, away from my mouth. But I'm guessing that's gonna get a lot of wind noise, so I'm not sure. So on the way back, I'll change it round. This is only a short little journey. Put the proof in the pudding. It is hot as shit out, and I've got a jacket on with fucking thermal arming on. It is not great.
Yeah, I haven't got the best exhaust, admittedly, but you can still hear it. I can hear it, so hopefully it picks up on the mic. What's this? Oh, just wind me up this tunnel. It's great when there's no one in it, but as soon as you got like a bit of traffic, like these idiots doing like 20 mile an hour through it, pisses you right off. These legal beagles. Oh. Look at there. I hope the mic picks that up, because this bike gets a lot of flag for sounding like a lawnmower, but when you go to the gears, it sounds alright. It does need a better exhaust, but that's coming. I'm going to get one. I'm going to get the Scorpion Red exhaust, and then it's going to be no dB killer, and it's going to be loud, and hopefully it picks up even more without peaking. Finally this fan decides to move. We'll get over in the left lane and we'll go home. Don't get caught out! I'm going to go down the middle and get in front of whatever that fucking thing is there. Right, quick change of the microphone, changed it round so it's facing upwards. No idea if it's going to change anything, but here we go. Dum dum dum. Right, this is -12 still, both dual track, -12. Hopefully they're both picking up everything. Wrong time to change the gear. I'm not really much of a talker, so I don't really know why I'm doing motovlogging. I like to be, I like the raw ones, but you got to change it up every now and again and put a little bit of spice in the videos. I've got a lisp, I'm nasally, I've got an accent. There's no Americans that are going to understand this accent. I've been to New York, went to Cat Steiner, ordered something, and the waiter just said, "No mate, I can't understand you, you're just having this." I accepted it. I knew he couldn't understand me. Looked at me like I was a foreigner. I think he even asked me if I was speaking English. Didn't realise that he was speaking my language, just, in a different tone. When I come down here, because this is this is still a very working man's dock. You know, it's still a shithole. It's rusty, it's brown, it stinks. You know, but it reminds me of Rocky in the 80s when he's an enforcer for that Italian guy. And he goes, "Hey Rocco, I need you to go see this guy." And then the other one with the big glasses starts taking the piss out of Adrian, calling her a bit dumb. This is what it's like though, this is what it reminds me of. You know, top hat, leather jacket, bouncing the ball. "Hey Rocco!" I wouldn't come running down here. It is fucking grim. Asbestos lungs. One of the best things about this bike, what I was about to say is that it's really easy to ride, but then it just did a little throttle dip on me. I think I'm going into the port of Liverpool here, which I don't really want, so stop and turn at the end. Oh. Hey, Rocco! Oof, it stinks. Ugh! Tried to miss it. My swerving skills weren't up to par. If I had any money if I won a lottery, there's a possibility that I might buy this building here, this big honking brown one, because it just looks like a doomsday bunker. I have no idea what it is. Just a big honking brown building, and I just do wheelies, practice wheelies inside of it. Sightseeing down there. Oh. So I've just showed you the absolute grimness of Liverpool docks, Port of Liverpool, whatever you want to call it. And then this is Everton Football Stadium, Bramley Moor Dock. That close to all that shite. It's quite grim, really. Look at all these. It's a lovely sunny day, brah. It is lovely and sunny. Quick sound check. Yeah, bag of books, or whatever. I'll get off and give it a little gander. Right, this is the end of the little mic upgrade. If you like what you see or you like what you hear, like and subscribe to the channel. It does help out. I currently have 50 subscribers, and I am grateful for every single one of them. This is the Kawasaki Z650RS on the Mic Mini sound, and we are gonna go. Peace out, people.